Transforming modern armored warfare amid challenges. Imagine a battlefield vehicle that combines advanced surveillance systems, powerful weaponry, digital networking, and high mobility into a single platform designed for modern combat.
That vehicle is the Ajax Fighting Vehicle, the British Army's next-generation armored reconnaissance and combat platform.
Built to replace aging reconnaissance vehicles, Ajax is expected to become one of the most technologically advanced armored vehicles ever fielded by the United Kingdom. In today's video, we'll explore the history behind the Ajax program, its design, weapons systems, battlefield role, strengths, controversies, and what it means for the future of modern warfare.
Let's begin. The British Army plans several variants of the Ajax family, each designed for different battlefield roles.
These include Ajax Reconnaissance Variant, Ares Armored Personnel Carrier, Athena Command Vehicle, Apollo Repair Vehicle, Atlas Recovery Vehicle, Argus Engineering Reconnaissance Vehicle. This modular approach allows the military to use a common platform while adapting it for multiple missions. At full scale, the UK plan to acquire hundreds of Ajax vehicles, making it one of the largest armored vehicle programs in Europe. Compared to older reconnaissance vehicles like Scimitar, Ajax is significantly larger and heavier. Some variants weigh around 38 to 42 tons, putting them closer to infantry fighting vehicles than traditional scout vehicles.
Why so heavy? The answer is protection. Ajax was designed with survivability as a top priority.
The vehicle features advanced modular armor capable of defending against small arms fire, artillery fragments, mines, and improvised explosive devices. The crew compartment is also heavily protected to improve survival rates in high-threat environments. The vehicle uses a tracked chassis rather than wheels, giving it excellent off-road capability across mud, snow, rough terrain, and difficult battlefield conditions. Another major feature is its advanced suspension system, designed to improve mobility while reducing crew fatigue during long missions. Inside the vehicle, Ajax uses a highly digitalized architecture. Crew members can access battlefield information through modern displays and sensor systems, allowing commanders to make faster tactical decisions. In many ways, Ajax is as much a mobile intelligence platform as it is an armored fighting vehicle. Now let's talk about Ajax's firepower. The primary Ajax reconnaissance variant is equipped with the powerful 40mm CTA International cannon. This cannon uses a unique cased telescoped ammunition system, which allows more compact ammunition storage while maintaining impressive firepower. The 40mm cannon is capable of engaging enemy infantry, light armored vehicles, fortified positions, low-flying aerial threats. The weapon system offers high accuracy and rapid target engagement capabilities. Ajax is also equipped with a coaxial machine gun for additional anti-personnel capability. One of the most important aspects of the turret system is its stabilization technology, allowing the vehicle to fire accurately while moving across rough terrain. In modern warfare, mobility and fire-on-the-move capability are critical advantages. The turret is integrated with advanced optics and targeting systems, including thermal imaging, day-night vision systems, and laser rangefinders. This gives Ajax the ability to detect and engage threats at long distances and in poor visibility conditions. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of Ajax is not its armor or gun, but its sensors and battlefield awareness systems. Modern warfare increasingly depends on information dominance. The side that can detect the enemy first, analyze battlefield data faster, and coordinate attacks more efficiently often gains a decisive advantage. Ajax was designed specifically for this information-centric style of warfare. The vehicle features advanced surveillance systems capable of long-range target detection and tracking. Its sensor suite may include high-resolution thermal cameras, long-range optical sensors, acoustic detection systems, battlefield radar integration, digital communication networks. Ajax can collect battlefield intelligence and share that information instantly with commanders, artillery units, drones, and allied forces. This makes Ajax not just a scout vehicle, but part of a much larger digital combat network. Some military analysts describe Ajax as a battlefield information hub on tracks. Despite its heavy armor, Ajax remains highly mobile. The vehicle is powered by a strong diesel engine producing enough horsepower to move the platform at speeds exceeding 70 km per hour on roads. Its track design allows it to traverse difficult terrain where wheeled vehicles may struggle. Ajax can operate across muddy terrain, rocky landscapes, forests, snow-covered regions, urban battle zones. The advanced suspension system improves cross-country performance and helps stabilize the vehicle during movement. Mobility is especially important for reconnaissance missions, where rapid movement and repositioning can mean the difference between survival and destruction. Ajax is designed to accompany frontline armored formations while maintaining the speed needed for reconnaissance operations. Today's conflicts are increasingly shaped by drones, cyber warfare, long-range missiles, and precision artillery. Traditional reconnaissance vehicles must now survive in far more dangerous environments. Ajax is designed to operate within this modern battlefield ecosystem. Its role includes reconnaissance and surveillance, target acquisition, battlefield intelligence gathering, coordination with drones and artillery, support for mechanized infantry units. Rather than charging directly into combat like a main battle tank, Ajax is intended to detect threats, monitor enemy movement, and provide commanders with critical battlefield information. Modern armies increasingly prioritize sensors, networking, and real-time intelligence alongside traditional firepower. Looking ahead, Ajax may continue evolving as technology advances. Future upgrades could include artificial intelligence-assisted targeting, improved drone integration, enhanced active protection systems, more advanced electronic warfare capabilities, hybrid propulsion technologies. As autonomous systems become more common, vehicles like Ajax may eventually coordinate directly with robotic reconnaissance drones and unmanned ground vehicles. This would further expand battlefield awareness and reduce risks to human crews. The Ajax platform could also serve as the foundation for future British armoured vehicle development programs. The Ajax Fighting Vehicle represents both the promise and the challenges of modern military technology. It combines heavy protection, advanced sensors, digital networking, and modern firepower into a highly capable reconnaissance platform designed for 21st century warfare. The future battlefield will belong not only to the vehicles with the biggest guns or thickest armor, but to the forces that can gather, process, and share information the fastest. And Ajax was built for exactly that mission. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more military technology and defense content.